metalcore keeps. But now I'm going to put the back. We'll do the reaction video. We got some Laurentian. I am sorry. Laurentian. Call me on 666. Hold on. No worshiping. What's up? You know what I'm saying? Hey, yo, hold on. Watch out. Dang, right? What is this? Ask Alexander, a prophecy? Always wanted to do a music video on rail. Okay. Got a little Bane mask going on there. First of all, I'm drowning off rip. Hold on, let him cook. Let him cook. I'm straight drop. I'm drowning. Woo! But then they're gonna drop it even more. Where do y'all get a flooded room from? Where does that come from? They got rooms specifically built for floods? Do they? I don't know. I don't know. I think that's such a cool set. You know. I know Phineas had did it. Who else had did it? Not a prophecy. Ask Alexandria. I think that's just so cool. Well, Laurentian. Shout out to y'all. This is the first time on the channel. I'd like to hear more from them. Let me know what you guys think down below. Links in the description. It's your cult leader.